Alrighty, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to another London session live stream here, and just as we do as always, getting right to action here. So I did see this GDA development of a range here, and again, there's a smaller consolidation zone here, but I'm looking for it to respect this level here. There's a non-wick candle here. There's an EMA tap here as well. So I'm gonna get right to setting this. So GDA buy stops at this level above here. So right now the price is below this level about 5 pips or so. So I'm looking at somewhere around 182.770. Again, this could shoot up pretty quickly here. So I need to get this ready pretty fast here. Let's see. So again, I'm looking for at least 23 pips. Yeah, I need a lot of room. GDA has pushed down quite some numbers here. So 23 pips both ways. And here we have it. 182.540 is SL. And 183 on the dot. TP. 183 on the dot. Yep, perfect. So it did push down here. Enough time to get this set as well. So I am going to go ahead and set the GDA buy stops here, guys. 182.770. We are approaching London opening as well. So I'm looking at a push above that level, or GDA to come right back in that range, either right after the opening of London here or right before here. So 182.770 and then stops at 182.540 and TP at 183 on the dot. Here it is. Again, this is not tapped in yet. Here we are. You can see on the 15-minute it can go right back in that range. Again, I don't mind it coming down further before London opening. I don't mind it. Let me just make sure these levels are correct. Okay, here we are. So again, price is about 6 pips below the entry for the buy stops. Keeping this a fair target here, guys. Here it comes. Here it comes. Let's see. Here it comes. Wow, look at that push. Again, right before London opening here. So sometimes, I mean, we saw yesterday with USD CAD, the minute before London opening, got tapped in. And into London opening, we got a nice clean push for USD CAD to get to our TP in no time. Here comes GDA as well. So you can see the 15-minute could go right back in. It's a nice stop loss here. Is below the previous low here, which again I don't anticipate GDA coming down to until it does reach these levels above. And of course, if it does reach those levels, then our TP will be hit. Here it comes back again. All right, 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. Wow, what a strong push. Look at that push. And I just got tapped in, guys. I just got tapped in. 182.770. Right there. Yep. In this setup now, we got less than 3 minutes to go. Here we have it. Come on, GJ. Strong push. Strong push right back up. Come on, let's go. Come on, GJ. Quick win here. One more time. Let's go. Come on, GJ. Ooh, just tapped and went down here. Again, I'm only looking at USD CAD for directional purposes right now. Yeah, it's too small of a range to even look at right now, but here it is. Come on, GJ. can pull right back in. This would be a nice pullback there. Look at that nice push. Again, we still got under 2 minutes to go, but that's still a lot of time. Still a lot of time for GJ here to push right through, right all the way up. This whole candle right here could turn green all the way to TP here. Come on, GJ. Let's go. One push. We need one more push here. And with London opening, we can see a nice, strong, bullish run right to at least the EMA. And again, it can go above it as well because we have a non-wick candle above here, which fits right, with our TP target here. So EMA, non-wick candle above here, and top end of the range, which is our TP target. So I think it's a very fair, reasonable target, 23 pips. They don't want to keep it too short just because they don't want to get tapped in and, GJ to come right back down here. But 23 pips is a good fight to stay in, even with some drawdown here with GJ. But here it comes. Again, just a minute to go now. 1 minute left before London opening here. And again, with this whole candle can turn green here. It could really turn all the way green, all the way back up here. Come on, GJ. It needs one more push here. One more push. I think it can do it. It's resisting here. Strong support. But let's see here. This got over 30 seconds to go here. Let's see. Again, a quick setup here. Reasonable target, I believe. And got tapped in. This is not giving the full push here. Let's see. But again, you can see even with London opening, the hour is closing within that range level here. Unless it makes a huge pullback here. Let's see. Again, even if we're not looking at this overall range, we're looking at just this level right here. And you can see this level right here is still being respected here, right? Ooh, here's London opening, guys. Wow, look at that push. It did open with the wick, the top wick here. But again, is it strong enough? Does it make a pullback? Again, I'm looking at this level right here. Right here. And you can see that this level has been respected with the EMA above it. So it can certainly reach this level here. If it does reach this level, it can definitely get to the top end of this range here as well. And 23 pips was set for the reason that with London opening coming in, just want to keep some room, breathing room below the price, reasonable room. So just in case if there is a potential fake out, let's say, beyond the level here, beyond the range level, we don't get tapped out too early. Otherwise, I think I could have done maybe 20 pips, 19, 20 pips. But again, keeping it very reasonable. We understand GJ has been on a huge bearish, momentum as well. Of course, we had a bullish run from GJ yesterday, but does it settle in this range? We'll have to find out. Alrighty. So I like the pullback here, and we can see here. Then this 15 pip level here that GJ could come back up to here, right? And then the EMA is above. Let's look at even the 3-minute EMA is above here. So you can see, again, I don't typically use this just because GJ has been moving so fast here that I do have to go back to the 3-minute EMA just to kind of check over a few things in terms of this smaller range level here. And here comes GJ again, guys. Look at this. Nice push. Nice push back at break even. Come on, one more push here. Come on, GJ. So two of the smaller time frame EMAs, the 3-minute plus the 5-minute EMAs, are found within the long position. And I do believe GJ will get there. And if it gets to the 5-minute EMA, guys, I think the TP target is very reasonable. So back at break even again. Nice push. Nice push. Come on, GJ. Give us that full push here. Come on. Nice push. Look at that. So that level was being respected here. One more push here. I think it can give it. I think it can give it, guys. I think all the way up here as well. Very reasonable. It's not a hard target to reach. But the 5-minute EMA is definitely one that I'm considering where I would probably consider adjusting the stops. I guess this level right here. If it can break this level right here, I will adjust my stops to break even. But it is a battle right now. Again, just need one clean push here. Not giving in right now. Come on, DJ. USD CAD here. I'll remove this here. Yep, so I see something here as well with USD CAD. Nice push. Look at GJ. Beautiful push right there. And I could see something right here for USD CAD. So this could be about maybe what, 9-10 pips? Yep, exactly 9-10 pips here, guys. You get good enough, guys, you won't even need the measuring tool to measure the amount of pips. And I'm just kidding. Anyways, nice push from GJ here. Beautiful push. Look at that, guys. Beautiful push. Beautiful push. Look at that. And it definitely will reach that level. Now the 3-minute EMA is right there within that line here. Again, I don't normally use a 3-minute time frame, but sometimes, you know, when price is moving too fast, and I do need to recognize that if there's a level, existing level, typically you can see it in the 5-minute time frame, but nonetheless, sometimes you may not be able to. And here it is. Come on, GJ. Give us that full push now. Again, the first 5 minutes of London opening is upon us, and we're getting into our new 5-minute candle in less than a minute here. Can certainly reach there. USD CAD can certainly reverse here. There's no bottom wick here. But again, I'm only looking at this setup right here because I need this full push above here, right? If it can break that level, I'm going to adjust my stops. And if it can get to the 5-minute EMA, I'm putting my stops into profit. And then beyond that is the TP target here. Beautiful push again. Come on, GJ. Let's go. Let's go. Here's a new 5-minute candle. Again, continue that bullish run there. Ooh. No top wick here. No top wick. Come on, GJ. Let's go. Nice pullback there. Let's go. Come on. I don't mind this. I don't mind this, but come on, GJ. So again, you guys can see that level it's so significant here because if it breaks this level here, we see the 5-minute EMA above. We see a non-wick candle. We see the top end of this larger range in play as well. But it is London opening here, so it may do a little bit of a pullback here and before kind of correcting the move. Let's see. Again, definitely has the ability to get there. If it definitely gets there, then it's risk-free for me. Here it comes. Let's go, GJ. Come on, GJ. Come on. Let's get this. One more push here. Come on, GJ. Look at that push as well. I mean, I will definitely look for the sell stops here, but need to consider that GJ will, in fact, push above here. Nice push. Come on, GJ. A little bit more of a push here. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Come on. See, I like how it opened up. London opening. It did make a pullback here, but nonetheless, very reasonable within that level here. And now with the new 5-minute candle here, it's attempting to push above. Again, the 3-minute EMA is above. 5-minute EMA is above as well. 5-minute EMA is what I'm looking at as a nice target for GJ to reach, where I can consider taking some profit as well. This level right here is a break where I can consider putting the stops at least at break even, right? So which give me risk free. And again, if it can reach the 5-minute EMA, then I can consider taking some profit along the way. If it breaks above that, then it's gonna be a nice target here. Come on, GJ. One more push here. Certainly can do that. See how far did it get into profit here? About what? 6 pips? 6 out of 23. So quarter of the way there. And it didn't give in to that level above. Still believe it will get there. Let's see at what cost here. Hmm. Hmm. All right, we got 2 minutes left for a new 5-minute candle. So let's see if GJ sticks here or does it make a push above. Again, that level is very reachable above. So let's see, nice push above here. Come on, GJ. Let's get it moving. Here it comes. Let's go. So right before the new 5-minute candle here. Let's go. Nice push. Nice push. Come on, GJ. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Look at that push, guys. Beautiful push. Probably tapping the 3-minute EMA right now, but here it comes. And again, looking for the new 5-minute candle right here. Any minute, any second now, actually. Look at that push. Did it break that level? Here it comes. Yep. Come on, GJ. Keep it going. Keep it going. Let's go. No bottom wick here, but look, it's respecting that level here, guys. And what I'm going to do, guys, here is I'm going to probably cut it at the 5-minute EMA. If it gets there, I may, okay, yeah, stops in profit. Stops at break even. And I may just cut the trade here, guys. I'm looking at it. Can it make one more push here or no? It certainly can. Here it is. Look at that beautiful push. And look at that, guys. What a clean run that was. What a clean run that was. Nice push. I certainly think it can get to the 5-minute EMA. And here it goes right there. Sorry, guys. I'm going to get out of here, guys. I'm out here. Right here. Because it has no bottom wick and it can come right back down. So again, the membership members, you guys got the instant call right there. For YouTube, you probably got the call right about right now. But got out right in time. Yeah, not saying it can't get up there, but I'm not risking it. You can see it broke that level. We got what we needed out of this setup. And look at that, guys. 15 pips out of 23. No problem. And we're out of the setup here. All right, we'd love to hear, guys, whoever got in, whoever got out as well. Okay. Thank you again. Okay, perfect. Cheers to everybody that got in, got out. And the winning streak continues. In and out. Nice. Still in. Again, if you're still in, I would consider, again, adjusting the stops, of course, and taking some profit. Take some partials out. Take some partials out because, again, there's no bottom wick here. We can certainly see it come back down here. And then if it does come right back down, it may go right back and draw down here. But nonetheless, again, I felt that if it can come to the 5-minute EMA, it can certainly get up to the profit target above here. I just didn't anticipate that there'll be no bottom wick. If there was a wick, I would have held on. Maybe taken some partials again and would have held on. But the fact that there's no bottom wick here, I don't like that. I'm not risking that. 15 out of 23 pips is more than enough. And yeah, we have a new 15-minute candle coming up as well. Again, it could push it above, but again, I don't like the fact that there's no bottom wick here. In and out. Okay, nice. There you go. There you go. In and out is perfect, I think, for this type of setup here. We correctly anticipated this move. It's a nice, beautiful range. Again, the probability of it reaching to the TP target is pretty high because, again, I'm going to say this, but at what cost, right? GJ could come back down, create a bottom wick here with a new 5-minute candle and come down and then push right back above. But again, are you willing to risk, all these pips here? Because they could make a significant push down here. 7-8 pips down. It's not worth it. Not for me, at least. And but the significance or the confluence is above the price, non-candle wick here. Respected this level here twice before. So it's definitely a probable area above there. I mean, it can even go beyond that level as well. And then maybe reverse right from right there. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the YouTube stream here, guys. We're winning here, and we don't need to stay in the market for too long, right? In and out, and we're good. I'll stick around for a couple more minutes here, guys, for the 15-minute close here and open, and we'll see what happens there. But beyond that, yeah, you don't need to do much, guys. Again, if you're in the market for 15-20 minutes, you get a nice setup, you're profitable, you exit. Why still stay in, right? Get out and enjoy your day. You're profitable for the day. You may have captured maybe what? For me, this was what? 15 out of 23. So we're looking at, yeah, about 65% of the trade, so 0.65%. And I'm happy with that. We got nice couple wins yesterday as well. We had a lot of wins on Friday. And let's continue the winning streak and let's play it safe. No need to rush the entries here. And here's a new 50-minute candle here. Let's see what happens here. No top wick. Let's see. Now, does it fill in the previous non-wick candle here on the left? But if it makes that push, does it make it a significant push? And again, this is the push that I was talking about. Is it worth losing all these pips down here? Look at this. Is it worth it? Even if it comes back up, is it worth it? I don't know. Not for me. But a nice win nonetheless. And there you go. Right? So look at that. Perfectly filled in the non-wick candle. Look at this. As I mentioned, it could come back down 7-8 pips. Fill that in and continue up. But again, is this worth it, this pushback here? Which, again, did happen. But nonetheless. Okay, I'm out as well. Okay, nice. There you go. All right, so I'll stick here for another minute, guys. Here's a push. Again, not saying that it won't reach there because, again, there's confluence is above. Even higher time frame EMA is above as well. But fact that this level was being respected here, and we had a new 5-minute, 50-minute candle, is it worth the risk? And sometimes, it may not be. It definitely was not for me. But nonetheless, a beautiful setup here. And look at that push, guys. Let's see. Does it get there? It's tapping the 5-minute EMA one more time. Here's that push. Look at that. Let's see, does it break above that? Does it have enough in it to break above, or does it come right back down? Let's see. Look at that push. Look at that. So I was looking at right there. Look at that. So again, I stuck around here, guys, just to kind of see if, again, the range would be respected overall. If it broke above that 5-minute EMA, it could certainly have gotten there. And again, I mentioned that if this candle right here did not, or did have a bottom wick here, I would have held on, right? Because that would give me the assurance that it can close above this level with a bottom wick. I didn't want this to happen right here, which again did happen. 7-8 pips down here, and then the pullback here. Again, it was too much of a risk because it could have fallen right back in this level here, and I was not willing to take that risk, right? So you got to really measure out the risk here and see what's worth it for you and what's not worth it. The chance there. Okay, I'm saving to get the Zoom with you. Yeah, I mean, guys, we've been this is the mentorship has just been. I mean, you guys, I post the results, on all the platforms here, so you guys can see Telegram, YouTube, Instagram, sorry, Twitter. You guys can see the results of the Zoom streams. We've been having an amazing run, and I did open up an option, guys. If you guys take a look on YouTube, there's a join button that you guys will be able to see. So if you guys want, there's two different packages there for any members that want a kind of preview or a couple sessions. I believe it's 3 sessions that you get to have if you join the membership on YouTube. 3 sessions, so that's 1 session for the first 3 weeks of the month. If you take the smaller package, and then the larger one is 6 sessions in a month, and that'll be in the first 3 weeks. So if you are considering taking the full mentorship, but you don't, for whatever reason you're not ready, you can take the join the membership on YouTube and take a peek at some of the sessions. Right, you'll be getting given the access, and you could take a look at for yourself and see if you guys are willing to take the next step. Right, but nonetheless, we are done here from YouTube here, guys. I will be continuing to stream on Zoom for all the mentorship members for a potential second setup, which I do see in both of the pairs here. But yeah, we'll leave it off here, guys. Again, we'll be back on YouTube tomorrow. And, as always, safe trading. Take care. And I will see you guys tomorrow.